Meaning of Death Valley.
Death Valley.
Death Valley.
Death Valley.
Death Valley. Death Valley refers to a desert valley located in eastern California, USA. It is known for its extreme heat and arid landscape, with very little rainfall and unique geological formations. The valley holds the record for the hottest temperature ever recorded on Earth at 134 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite its inhospitable conditions, the valley is home to a diverse range of plant and animal species adapted to the harsh environment. Despite its bleak name, the valley remains a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors with its stark beauty and unparalleled natural wonders.